Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with yet another LED ring light review. It's brought to us from B&M Home Stores, which is a home store here within UK. It is described as being ideal for filming, live streaming and tutorials, with the price sitting at £20. That's around 28 in US dollars. Inside the box, there is a very lengthy Type-C power cable. There's a setup guide user manual and the light styles ring light itself. So here's how it works. This ring light is fully foldable and compact. The ring light unfolds just like so. It is attached to a telescopic arm that too unfolds vertical. I'm just going to simply straighten out that ring light and tighten it up in the process. You have a locking mechanism to the bottom that, when twisted clockwise, locks right into place. That telescopic arm can be extended way up to 1.8 meters in fact. So yeah, a good height if you intend to film while standing. There's a rubber layered mobile phone grip with a bendable arm. It does have a 360 rotation that should fit most mobile phones firmly. Now to power this ring light, we have a Type-C port to the rear, where we're just going to attach that Type-C cable. But unfortunately no, this ring light is not provided with a power plug, so you will undoubtedly need to use your own USB adapter. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so it does illuminate fairly brightly, which is kind of surprising. We do get 3 light modes to choose from, depending on what effect you're after, which can be selected via that forward-facing control panel on the inner part of the ring light. You do also get a good selection of brightness levels too. Yes, 10 brightness levels in total, and what's real handy is that there is a USB port provided. So if your phone battery is running a little low, you can indeed charge it via that port. But unfortunately, you will be limited to a slow trickle charge, I'm afraid. Now, while testing out this LED ring light, we did find it to be fairly useful. The highest brightness level is certainly brighter than a few of the LED lamps that we've tested in the past. You do get minimal casting of shadows, but don't get me wrong, if you're wanting more of a professional look, you will require some rear lighting. But yeah, in order to test it out, we're just going to hand over to Makeup in Time with Julia, which is a YouTube channel based upon beauty products. Alright Julia, so what do you think of this LED ring light?
I think this is really cool. This is the idea of what I was looking for initially before I bought the big massive one. Everything can fold into one piece, and you can also put it in table instead of putting it on the floor. It's space saver, which I always struggle with space. I really like the whole idea, but I wish the light was slightly more powerful. Like, you know, it's like I'm comparing this one with the £80 one. You know what I mean? But overall, me, I like it. I love this.
What would you give?
This, I will give it 8 out of 10.
Why just 8?
Yeah, because the light is not so powerful. Like, if the light was more powerful, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I'll give it 8 just based on that. But then again, if you look at the price range, what I'm comparing this with, that one is actually £80. So yeah, it's good. I
would advise taking it real easy with that bendable attached to phone mount. It doesn't feel that durable, to be honest. But what's great is the real ease of use of the whole lamp in general. Being able to fold it down instantly, to use on a tabletop, to use while seated or while standing. Although you will need to be a bit wary not to touch those surfaces while filming, as the whole stand does have a tendency to rock around a bit, especially when touched, and that is the same when stood close to the base of that stand too. I am gonna rate this ring light at 8 out of 10 today. It does certainly have its uses, and I will leave a link in the video description for you guys to simply check out. So yes, go ahead and check that link, and if you like what you see, well, why not go over to the B&M store right now and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you like this video today. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Now, this is certainly a different video than we've done this week, but we hope to do more in the next few days, so stay tuned for our new upload. As usual, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!